Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and I have magic for you today. Guess where I am? Can you tell? It has been newly reimagined. There's fresh paint. It's all lit up. And I, drum roll please, am at the Boardwalk. We're staying in a standard view room, club level, and it is 4211, and I want to take you for a tour. It is November, Christmas is up, the tree is up, we're going to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, and I'm so excited. So make sure you like and subscribe, click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travel. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. Now let's go tour 4211. Here we go, 4211, standard view, club level. You guys, these rooms are phantasmic. As usual, let's scan through everything, and then I'll go back and show you the details. Oh my goodness, look at this, these rooms. I fell in love with all the Disney detailing. I mean, these rooms are gorgeous, so nice. Now let's start. So we've got two queen size beds here, and I want you to look at the linens. These linens are so soft and beautiful, nice pastel colors. It's just so light and airy. And then look at the fabric here. It is so nice. And then we have a light, a reading light, which is nice. I love the new beds. Those are so pretty. And then yes, as I always show you, underneath here you'll be able to put your luggage, which is a huge saver if you've got 5 that are sleeping here. And then we've got a chair over here. And while we're looking at the chair, does anybody see a hidden Mickey? There he is. He's so cute. I love it. And then we've got a little side table, and then you've got your 2 normal plugs, and then you've got your USB plug, which is great. We've got beautiful lamp accents there. So gorgeous, you guys. This is just lovely. And then let's come over here, and you've got the 5th sleeper. This is the bed that will fold out. And let's look here. We've got Mickey. Can you see the hidden Mickey? He's so cute. I love it. Right there on the bolsters. And we were just touring the room, and we're told that these are actual pictures here. We've got Goofy on the boardwalk and Mickey and Minnie, and they did an overlay on it with color. Isn't that so pretty? It's got a little bit of a glare on it, but it's just gorgeous. And look up here, we've got molding all around throughout. Oh, it's just so nice. And let's go back over here, and I want to show you what this lamp does. So Mickey is here now. It's kind of a little magical moment. So here's the lamp, and then you turn it on and Mickey appears. That's so great. I love it. And then we've got marble accents here, which is nice. And then while I'm here, look at the drape, the fabric on the drape. So we've got cameos of all of our favorite characters. There's Minnie, Donald, Goofy. So nice. Pluto. That's great. And so now let's open up this bed and let you see what it looks like. So here's the bed pulled out. It looks like it's a little smaller than a twin, I think, and it's really squishy. So whoever sleeps here, I think, will be very comfortable. And then it just folds right back up, and then you've got those extra bed linens in the closet. So yeah, that's great. That's awesome. And here's the second bed. And then in between, we have a table here. I just love the woodwork on here. And then you have a drawer that opens up. You've got more space down below, a shelving. You've got your phone. You've got your pen and paper here. We have lights that'll turn everything out right at your fingertips. More plugs, regular and USB. We've got our lamp here, our second beautiful queen size bed, and I have to show you the artwork here. Look, look at Pluto, and then there's Mickey, and then there's Minnie. So very nice. And another bedside lamp here, more plugs, and then your marble side table. I love that. It is gorgeous. And now let's look at the flat screen TV. I love the way Disney always welcomes our family. Welcome Giles Party. And then you've got your chest of drawers here with 6 lovely drawers. Love that. So nice. And we've got marble top here. We've got a remote control. And then right here, we've even got more plugs. So your kids are going to have plenty of space to plug in their devices, USB and regular. So lovely. Now, let's go back to the entryway and let's look at the kitchenette here. So Mickey and Minnie are having a picnic. So cute. I love this. The artwork is just gorgeous. And you've got an ice bucket here. You've got a single Keurig. And let me show you in this drawer. So you should have all the coffee that you need. We've got Joffrey's regular, we've got decaf, we've got 2 types of tea, we've got sugar, sweet and low. You have International Delight Creamer, you've got your coffee cups. I gotta show you the coffee cups. I don't know if you can see on camera or not, but hidden Mickeys all throughout. Very cute. I love it. And you are club level, so if you run out of anything, no worries. You just call your concierge host and they will get that right to you. Here is our refrigerator. It's a mini size refrigerator, and I love to tell the story of how my children love club level because they can go and they can get drinks, they can get snacks, and you can take it to the park. So when we're booking your Disney vacation, let's discuss if club level is right for you and all the perks that it has, because you can fill up that refrigerator, no problem at all, with all the snacks that are offered. Now let's get back to the tour. So now we have our closet space in the entryway. So 3 lovely full-length mirrors. I love the details here. So pretty. And then let's open it up. Way more storage than before. So you have 2 closets, and yes, we do have our beautiful slippers in club level, and then we also have this beautiful 2 robes. I love to be in a robe at Disney and relax. And then we have a place for you to put your luggage, plenty of hangers, and then our laundry service is back. So if you need to take your laundry out, don't worry about that. We do offer it. We can talk more about that when you book your next Disney vacation with Melissa VIP Magic. And then here we have our last beautiful closet, and we've got handheld steamer, no need to bring that. We've got our hair dryer here, and then we've got a safe, and you set that yourself with your own code, and then extra pillows and blankets. I love it. We're going to be very comfortable. Now let's check out the bathroom area. So more beautiful artwork. We've got Mickey and Minnie, Donald and Daisy, and they're at the boardwalk in the swans. Do you guys remember the swan boats? Those are so lovely around the Magic Kingdom moat, the castle. That's so cool. And I love this because you've got 2 sinks, so it's very convenient. We're going to have 4 colleagues in this room this week, so it'll be great to have the 2 sets of sinks. And then, of course, you have all the linens you need. You've got H2O body products, which is great. You've got more plugs here. You've got a makeup mirror with the light, which is nice, and a beautiful mirror in the back. I love it. And here is another full-length mirror, which is great. So I may do my makeup there in the morning before our photo shoots. And then here is finally your bathroom. So the toilet area, more towels, and then I love the way that we have reimagined this shower. So you've got sliding glass doors, kind of barn doors, if you will. They just slide. You've got your shampoo, conditioner, H2O products. You've got beautiful tile. You've got your shower head there, and yeah, it's really pretty. So who is ready to go see the balcony? And on our particular balcony, we're going to be able to see the fireworks from Epcot. And I have a tip for you. I just learned when we were taking a tour. So let's go outside and I'll tell you my tip. So here we have our balcony. It's a pretty large balcony. We've got room for 2 chairs and a table, which is nice. And our view is, you can see the Skyliner, and then you can see the Eiffel Tower in France at Epcot. And when we were doing our tour, if you can see the Eiffel Tower, you can see the fireworks. So we're excited to see Epcot Forever from our balcony. So this is going to be great. I love it. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. I specialize in Disney. It's all I do, and I love club level and luxury Disney travel. So I can't wait to assist your family. See you real soon.